Today is a no joke workout. Today is going to be a full 10 minutes where we're gonna do each one of these exercises for a full minute and we're gonna repeat it twice. So I am gonna put a timer on so that we are completely following through with the exact amount of time. And I don't know if we're gonna make it to the end, but if we can do it together, I think that it's gonna be a lot of teamwork, okay? So scream at me, I'm gonna scream at you, you know, we'll throw things at each other, we'll talk through it, we'll say loving words to each other, whatever we have to do, we're gonna survive. So grab your bands, because this is gonna be an amazing core workout. All right, here we go. So I am gonna put my timer on for this because we wanna make sure that we are following through. You can put your timer on too if you wanna just double check my work, but I think you know that I've got a timer here, so we're good. Okay, first thing that we're gonna do is start off with those bands around your legs. Starting the timer, because what we're gonna do is we're gonna go into diamonds. So essentially you're gonna keep those feet together and you're just going to open those knees out. Now at any point in this, you just cannot keep your feet up into the air. A modification is just dropping it to the ground and still keeping a nice good flat back, okay? So do this with me right now. I have the timer going, all right? We're already like halfway through this first one. So jump in, hurry, hurry, hurry. Now, again, you wanna have a nice good straight spine so your head is in alignment, you're looking straight out in front of you, and you're leaning slightly back. And hopefully I'm talking through this enough so that we can focus on other things. How was your birthday? What did you get? What did you want for Christmas? How was your Valentine's Day? Oh my gosh, whew. 3 more seconds. And I'm making sure we absolutely hit that minute. Okay, next one is going to be leg circles. And yes, you're gonna hate me for this one, but you know what? We're gonna get through it. So we're just gonna draw some nice little circles. Now modification, again, is where you just keep those knees bent and you're just gonna draw the circle. Good, we have a warm up, so we don't need to go too intense here. But you know this second round, I'm gonna make you straighten out those legs, okay? So once we get to 30 seconds, we're gonna switch directions. That's in 3 more seconds. Good, and switch directions. Good, already burning. You should feel your legs and your abs burning. That's okay to feel those two areas. You got 10 more seconds. How's your dog? How's your cat? Yeah, okay. Cool. Oh my gosh, we made it through. Shake it out. All right, next one, we're gonna go into a reverse crunch. So just cross those ankles, you're gonna drop those heels and then lift it up. Drop those heels, lift it up. Oh my goodness. And hurry up and start because the minute's already going. Good, how's your sister? How's she doing? Yeah? All right, how's your brother? Oh, you don't have one? Okay. Well, how's your mom? Is she doing well? Switch ankles, keep going. Good, how's your dad? Good, how's your Mother Earth and Father Sun? Maybe if you don't have them, how's those 2 parents of yours? Oh my goodness. Okay, you're done. Okay, shake it out. Shake it out. Okay, we have one more. What is this one? Oh man. Okay, this is where you're going to go in here, okay? Oh, and was I just April Fool's? There's 2 more in this round. Okay, so here we go. Straight and then back down. Straight and back down. Good, so I'm taking my opposite hand, my opposite foot, lifting and lowering as my other leg is just bent. Clock is already ticking, so come on in. Don't be shy, jump on in. Good, keep going. All right, so who did I miss? your cousins, your aunts and uncles. You know what though, but how are you? Let's talk about you. How have you been doing? Good, switch sides. Keep telling me how you're doing. Uh-huh. Yes, I hear ya. We're really gonna have to just get through this one together, you guys. I'm serious. Keep talking. Keep telling me how you're doing. How are your kids doing? Okay, next one we're going to a Russian twist. So you're just going to twist and twist and twist. Modification, just keep those knees on the feet on the ground. And because I really want to challenge you and get that burn, we're gonna try to elevate those. So as much as possible, today is all about lifting those feet. Here we go, 1 minute. All right, so how are your kids doing? Good. How's your lover? Keep going. Oh my gosh, you're not even halfway done with this one. Okay, now you're halfway. Keep going. Don't focus on the time. Focus on, okay, what should we focus on? Oh, that bikini weather and how we're gonna look so good and that next outfit. What about those new boots that you just bought? Oh my gosh, they're so cute, aren't they? Oh. Okay. All right, now you're gonna have to talk to me on this next round because now I don't know if I can talk on this next one. So tell me all of the questions for me and I'll answer them for you, okay? All right, here we go. First one, do you remember what it was? Those diamonds. Okay, here we go, starting the clock. Okay, yes, life is great. Just doing this 90-day challenge. It's just killing my booty. And my core right now is just dying. Yeah, I woke up the other day and I feel like I got punched in both sides of my body here, my obliques. I don't know if you've done that ab exercise yet, but you probably will need to take a few days of rest. So yes, in the 90-day challenge, it is important to allow yourself to not just burn through all of the days. Give yourself some rest. I have. That's why it's taken me probably 2 months to get this far. Good, I think it's almost been a minute. Okay, that's good. Oh, good. Next one, leg circles. Okay, now I was really easy with you on the first round, but the second round, you wanna try to lengthen those legs out as much as possible. The goal is to straighten those legs. Oh, okay, I can't talk to you right now. All right, go to your happy place. Do this for you, boo. Do this because you know you're strong and you can get through anything. Reverse your circle. And it's okay to stop and take a break. Oh, and then get back into it. Because that minute is not done yet. What amazing meal are you gonna have after this workout? Something really healthy over there? Okay, reverse crunch. So cross those legs and you're just going to touch those heels and bring it up. Now, this one I want you to really emphasize it. Drop and really curl in. Bring that forehead to the knees. Beautiful job. Switch those ankles and keep going. What healthy dessert are you gonna have after dinner today? Or maybe you're gonna do a 0 sugar challenge for like the whole entire 90-day challenge. I love that idea, because we don't restrict, we just replace. So you're gonna replace something that's will hit that sweet tooth. Oh, okay, we're done with that one. Next, we're gonna go into those jackknives. So straight out that leg, straighten out that arm. Let's go. Good, switch sides. Little challenging right here, the last 10 seconds. Bring that arm out a little bit longer. And you did a great job. Okay, last one. All right. Okay, just twist and twist. Good, modification, you can keep those legs on the ground, but you wanna try to challenge yourself. How many seconds can you stay with them elevated? Last minute. Last 10 seconds, here we go, finish strong. Just stretch it out, oh my goodness. So just drop that booty to one side of your legs while the other side reaches across, and just breathe. You should feel very accomplished right now, because that was very difficult. We really challenged ourselves on that one. Good, just breathe and think positive thoughts to yourself. Good, and then switch sides. And then you can drop it all the way down. And depending on how flexible you are here, listen to your body. And allow any other stretching that you would like right here. So feel free to go through, repeat any stretching. There's no such thing as too much stretching. As we are getting older, we're getting less flexible. So let's reverse that by going in and doing some stretching if you have some time right now. It was awesome having you doing this workout with me. I love seeing your progress in the Facebook group. So go to the Facebook group and tell me how your progress is. I'm excited to see your workout now. Bye everyone. Let me show you the secret on how you can cut fat and keep your curves. Did you know that when you're losing weight, you're actually losing 3 things? Water, fat, and muscle. And losing your muscle, that's like losing your metabolism. Skipping meals and dieting can actually lower your resting metabolism up to 20% a day. The secret is lifting weights and maintaining your muscle will actually speed your metabolism up. The Booty Bands and Barbells program is designed to build lean muscle that will cut the fat and keep your curves. Put yourself first, act now. You feeling great and your new transformation can start today.